Meet Nkanyezi, baby daddy. This is the picture that Maseko was talking about. For those who don't watch the show, this is just like a quick little brief. So Mr. Maseko is a traditional doctor who resides in Mamelodi. He is married to Mamkulu and also dating Nkanyezi, and was previously dating 5 other gays. So 4 of them left. So there's one who is left, who is currently with him, who is Davula, and then there's a new side chick in the picture right now called Colin. We don't know much of his standing right now with his relationship with Mr. Maseko. So that is just the gist of Mr. Maseko's family. Anyway, he calls them Bafati Bam, but he did not marry them. You know, the only person that is lawful and traditionally married to is Mamkulu, who is currently pregnant. So right now, Nkanyezi left after Mr. Maseko engaged Udavula in season 2. So she left, and then she went back home. So she came back. They went home in season 3 to go plead for Nkanyezi to come back. And then when Nkanyezi came back, she found out that Umamkulu is pregnant. She was busy rubbing her belly, and then they made peace with it. She was busy fighting with Dabula as usual. Fine, fast forward. Nkanyezi now said that she is pregnant. She was picking up symptoms of being nauseated, morning sickness, stuff like that. Then she went to the doctor. They did a pregnancy test. It came out negative. So they did the scan. Also, the baby was not showing also on the scan. So they did a blood test. They took her blood and then they took it to the lab, and then the blood came out positive, showing that she is indeed pregnant. So we don't know whether it's an ectopic pregnancy. You guys can correct me. That kind of pregnancy where you fall pregnant out of your tube, or it's like that type of pregnancy where your baby kind of like hides but you are pregnant, So anyway, fast forward, Mr. Maseko is not pleased with these results. He said that he does not believe that this baby is his for one reason. Nkanyezi, the time that she was home, she was busy posting pictures of this guy. She was busy posting pictures of this guy on Facebook, and then she said that this guy, she met him at Den Lane Mall in Mamelodi. So now look at the structure in which they are seated. Somebody that you just met now, you seated like this, you're taking picture, or maybe are you trying to make your partner jealous? We don't know for sure. But Nkanyezi, I found these pictures on Facebook. So these are the pictures that Mr. Maseko was showing on the show, was talking about on the show. So I found this on Facebook, on Nkanyezi's Facebook, and it looks like Nkanyezi as well has 2 kids, a boy and a girl. So I'll try and protect these little human beings. They know nothing of social media, so I can't expose them like that, you guys. As much as we want the tea, but I can't spill it like that. It's too dirty, I'm sorry. Anyway, so this will be Nkanyezi's 3rd born. And I remember while Mr. Maseko and his friends or his family They went to Nkanyezi's home to go ask her officially to go and live with Mr. Maseko in Mamelodi. The family was a bit reluctant, but they questioned Nkanyezi on the side. They were like, how many times are you going to keep on having babies out of wedlock? Little that we did not know that Nkanyezi did this kind of situation before. So, and also Nkanyezi is like kind of sneaky because she keeps on pushing Mr. Maseko to marry her, because she kept on saying, at my home we don't keep it, meaning that we don't do fat and sad, so meaning that she is from this type of situation before. Look what's happening again. When elders, they kuza you, they reprimand you, they'll be like, don't walk there, there's fire, you're going to burn, why are you going there? We don't listen. She went to Mamelodi, she fell pregnant with third born out of wedlock, and now look at the very same person that took her from home is now denying the pregnancy. We're not sure, we're not even certain that it is Mr. Maseko's baby. We're not even certain that the guy that I'm showing you here is Nkanyezi's baby daddy. Only she knows, only she knows, because she said that she is 4 months pregnant. And obviously the show is like months before, but this picture was taken last year, 2020, and this show was also shot last year during lockdown. So we don't know. She's the only one to confirm. So my heart bleeds for Nkanyezi, because we can see in her face that she loves Mr. Maseko. Mr. Maseko wataking kera basadi. Like, any skirt does not pass by him. Any pants does not pass by him. I think it's these things that he drinks. Like, Mr. Maseko rata basadi. Like, I'm gonna just put it straight. Mr. Maseko rata basadi. And it looks like ukaranye kuja responsibility for him. Ukare watsarking wadladiwa umnati nje. Wadladiwa umnati kimnati mpolaye. And what's that song of his? Yona Yeo, you guys know it, the one that he recorded. So congratulations to Nkanyezi's baby. It is possible that this baby could be Mr. Maseko's child, because Umamkulu, she is, okay, Madiagara Afisha, sorry, Madiagara Afisha. Which is Nkanyezi in this instance, So, and Nkanyezi did explain to us, saying that the very same night that they went and fetched her go with bank, she slept with Mr. Maseko that very night, unprotected. So we don't know what goes down in the bedroom, whether they have sexual intercourse protected or unprotected, but it is what it is right now. It's very much possible, So congratulations to Nkanyezi. We'll just wait for the results. And Mr. Maseko, they'll do the DNA after. Mr. Maseko, I don't know what's going on with him. He's got this thing in him all of a sudden, and he doesn't even see that he's getting old, but he's acting like a young boy child, Wapora.